Another thing I learned too,
What's up, man? Hey,
I need to get you on my. You got that coat on. Need that.
How your battle turned out?
Nah, he did good, bro.
Just missed him. I walked in. Mills, that shit going triple pound. Easy. I'm putting you on the spot. How you got it?
I got it 3-0 Suge.
Okay.
Eazy second round was Eazy might have got the second round.
I think Eazy had a great first round, but it might have been misplaced in hindsight. It might have should have been a later round because Suge's first round was crazy.
Yeah,
I think both their best rounds was the first.
Suge's third was crazy too. That was a good
All
battle.
Suge's rounds.
Yeah, all his rounds were crazy. It was a good battle. I got Suge's third.
Okay.
Debate. I think we'll be able to debate the second on camera, but nah, Suge did his big one. The coach are all my apologies too.
What we got with the league next month or March?
We looking at March. We're working on it right now.
I like
We're
it.
looking at March.
I like
Black
it.
Diamond Battle League, QB Black Diamond.
All right, that's what's up. How you got it, Sway?
Robin.
How you got it?
Suge 3-0.
Gentlemen's close?
Dirty 30.
Dirty? God damn, Sway. All right, I respect it. Good work, bro. And QB Black Diamond, she got it a gentleman's 30. Remy in the house. Swave got it a dirty 30.
Lord, you just start making your way to the door. Start making your way to the door. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Remy Ma exiting the building. Got cool, got Misfit on the line. What's up, Cor? Good shit, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Make your way to the exit, please.
J400.
Please make your way to the exit.
What's up, Jay?
what was you at? Oh yeah, standing
How
up
you?
on like 5 hours.
Chillin', brother. Chillin'. I'm proud of Suge. He did his thing like we expected.
Let's go.
Eazy did his thing. Light skin television, we getting put out. What's up, fam? Good shit, Sarone.
Yeah, I saw you right behind me, bro.
Definitely, bro. Definitely, I got you
Back in the trenches.
Arts in the house, you know what I mean?
My boy back in the trenches. I didn't know you were here, bro. Come on, man. That's me. I know, right?
The N3S3 interview Arts, dope shit, bro. I think I watched it like 3 times already. Good shit.
Man, it's a great feeling, honestly. Like, I compare very hard to battle. Before and after, you know, just getting it finished with that happened and thinking about the scars, it feels good, man.
All right. I got a lot to say. I got a lot to write about.
What up, you?
Excellent. Whooped his ass.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
What's up, fam?
Let's go. Yo, make sure you tag me.
My bad. When we gonna see you on that stage again?
Man, when everybody stops jumping, I'm ready to get back out.
Bags and Bodies joint.